G. Is that big G or uppercase G? Little g, lowercase g. Makes the g sound, g. In words like glass, guitar, grapes, gate, gravel. They all start with the letter G. G, g.